Howdy.
Hello.
We are
It's so bright. Today we are in Ohrid. We've been here for a week and we've been
kind of lazy, honestly.
super lazy and we haven't filmed anything. But this is our view.
Oh. Pretty awesome. There's a mosque here and there's a church here. And you can hear the church bells going off and you can hear the call to prayer going off. And it's honestly super duper awesome. It's been a little bit rainy, but today's a nice sunny day. We're gonna go get some souvlaki's for breakfast and we are very excited. We don't know what our plans are today, but we're wearing swimsuits.
Swimsuits? Why are we wearing swimsuits?
Just in case.
Let us show you. Look how amazing this looks. So under all these french fries is a yellow. And Caleb loves his mayonnaise. Look how good. This place is just the cutest. You can see the fortress up there. And yesterday this house had a bunch of cats, but
I don't see any of them today.
I don't see any cats today. There's a kitty. And the houses here are so quaint. Look at the little flowers. Everywhere. The flowers everywhere are so cute.
So we're walking up to the fortress. These are probably the most gorgeous streets like I've ever seen. Ron and I both agreed that this is probably one of the most unique places we've ever been. And hopefully, when we go down here, we're gonna see our little doggo friend.
Is this safe? Oh! What? No way! They just let you in here?
I don't really think these are archer holes. I don't really see how you're supposed to
shoot anything through these. There's another door over here. Wow.
Well,
we sound so excited. That's super cool. That's super cool. Kind of sweaty because I'm so careful.
that's pretty spooky. That's pretty spooky.
I don't like that. We have a theory that this is the pooper because they used to have literally a hole that they would sit on and then just poop down into, like, why else would this be empty, you know what I mean?
Honestly, I wish that I could just
Poo there?
you know? So this fortress is called Samoil's Fortress, which I believe was an old Bulgarian king. But I don't really know much about the Skopje Fortress, but this one is a little bit smaller, I think, in size.
Yeah.
But the views are definitely
crazier.
And also they actually have guardrails protecting the edges so you can't just, you know, fall off. Except for over there where you can actually jump.
You could
off.
definitely fall off of it.
But anyways, I think we're gonna go walk down to the water now. It's finally warm enough for us to go jump in the water.
We'll see you
excited.
there. We're walking to a church, but I don't know if you can see it. There's ancient ruins and pillars right there, built right beneath a modern building.
We don't know what this building or this area is, but we're about to figure it out. So we came up to this monastery, which you have to pay to get inside because it's a compound. But we're just kind of looking at some of the things outside, and this guy comes up to us. And
we're gonna do a little role play, okay? You're gonna see what just happened.
Yeah, so
I'll be him. Where are you from?
Canada.
You francophone?
I speak French.
So you don't speak French. Do you want to know the history?
Yeah, but you know, we're just trying to find the church. That's all. We just want to find the monastery.
So yes or no, you don't want to know the history?
We do. We don't want this to be like a scam thing.
So all you have to do is answer my question. Yes or no, do you want to know the history?
Basically, you kind of saw from what she was doing that he was being really obnoxious. I said,
yes, we would like to know the history, but we don't want to get scammed.
Yeah, exactly. Like,
and he said, what's a scam? I'm working for you, you give me money, that's no scam.
He started walking away, and I was like, could you at least tell us how to get to the church? And he said, I think I've done enough work for you for free already. And I'm like, you just yelled at us.
He's balding, so if you ever come here, don't talk to him.
Hey, we won't show the face, but we're talking to a local guy right now, and he agrees that this dude is not very nice.
Yeah, it's like it happens all around the world, you know.
Yeah.
Everywhere we go, you have people like that. So.
Yeah.
That's like the first rude person.
Yeah, he's the first rude guy.
Same for me. I just arrived here, and I'm a local. I'm from Skopje. Yeah, I'm from Skopje. I just arrived here with guests. And he was rude to me as well, and he said to some people that they don't know their history. So that's why I wanted to talk to him a bit in Macedonian.
Oh, yeah.
So, but...
it's okay.
Oh well.
It's not gonna end good.
Yeah.
Because, yeah.
Orange one's letting me pet him now.
We found cats.
They're a little bit scared, but he's letting me pet him. Time to go swimming.
And this water is so nice. You know, it's cold, but it's not horrible.
It's not bad.
Oh, oh, oh. Welcome, guys, to Pro Rock Skipping with Caleb. Okay, ready?
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Just go swimming. Just go swimming, she says, as I try to step into this extremely cold water. Oh, oh, oh. It is cold. Oh, there's fish. I wonder if I can get them. Okay, so this water is super freezing. I think you already know that. But we're just gonna go in. Hope for the best. There you go.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You gotta come in here with me.
No, no, no.
Yeah, yeah. That actually feels really nice. Like,
no, it doesn't.
I'm not lying. It feels amazing.
My legs are cramping.
Yeah, just go in. It feels really good. Just lay down. Just go in and lay down. Do it.
I can't. Okay, hold on. I gotta work up the grit.
Just go. Okay, ready? 3, 2.
Just wait. Hold on. I gotta get in a comfy position.
3, 2, 1. Just go. Go all the way.
Hold on. Let me just
fall back with me. You have to. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now stand up. Right?
Okay, yeah. finally did it.
We went into the lake. Ohrid, finally.
Your hands are so cold. Alright guys, we're signing off for today. Thanks for joining us.
Now we're gonna get coffee.
Or hot chocolate.